You have been told to wait for motivation. That is the mistake. The world whispers a lie into your ear each morning. It says, feel ready first, then act. It says, wait for the spark, then build the fire. But you and I both know something different. You have felt it. The days you waited, the hours you sat perfectly still, hoping for a wave of energy that never came. That is not laziness. That is a misunderstanding of how strength is made. Motivation is a visitor. It comes and goes without asking your permission. Some mornings it knocks, most mornings it walks right past your door. If you build your life around a visitor, you will live in an empty house. The person who succeeds is not the one who feels inspired every day. That person does not exist. The person who succeeds is the one who acts while feeling nothing at all. That is the first law you must write on your memory. Do not wait for the feeling. Wait for the decision. Let me give you a picture. Imagine a farmer waiting for the soil to feel like planting. He stands at the edge of his field, hand on the fence, waiting for excitement. The sun rises. He waits. The sun sets. No crop grows. A farmer does not plant because he is motivated. A farmer plants because the season says now. Your life has seasons too. The season to begin does not ask how you feel. It asks only if you are willing. Consider the invisible work that happens before any success you have ever admired. You see the performance. You do not see the rehearsal. You see the speech. You do not see the 3 hours of staring at a blank page. You see the strong body. You do not see the cold mornings when no one was watching. That is the hidden work. That is the work that feels like nothing. But that nothing becomes everything. 1 day of invisible work means nothing. 100 days of invisible work means you cannot be stopped. Ask yourself this question. What have you been waiting to feel before you start? Confidence, clarity, courage? Those do not arrive before the action. They arrive during the action. They are born from the movement itself. You do not walk into the gym because you feel strong. You feel strong because you walked into the gym. You do not write because you feel wise. You feel wise because you wrote. The cause and effect have been reversed in your mind. Act first. The feeling follows like a shadow. Preparation and opportunity have a quiet relationship. Most people believe opportunity is loud. A knock on the door, a phone call, a sudden break. But opportunity is silent. It passes by every day. The only difference is who is prepared to see it. Preparation is not a course you finish. Preparation is the daily act of showing up when no opportunity is in sight. You build the boat while the sea is calm. Then when the storm of chance arrives, you are not building, you are sailing. Here is a truth that will save you years. Pressure does not create your character. Pressure reveals your character. When things go wrong, you do not become someone new. You become more of who you already are. I have seen this clearly in two kinds of people. The first kind, when pressure arrives, makes excuses. The project is late. They blame the instructions. The team is tired. They blame the clock. Pressure reveals they were never disciplined. They were just comfortable. The second kind, when pressure arrives, goes quiet. They do not complain. They do not post about their struggle. They simply work longer, think harder, and find a way. Pressure reveals they were always ready. The difference is not talent. The difference is what they practiced when no pressure existed. Think about your own life. When was the last time something went wrong? What did you do first? Did you look for someone to blame? Or did you look for the next right step? That answer tells you everything about your future. Not because you are bad or good, but because patterns do not lie. What you do under small pressure, you will do under massive pressure. So practice the right pattern now. When the coffee spills, when the internet fails, when someone cancels. Choose action over complaint. Choose solution over blame. That small choice repeated is the difference between a breakdown and a breakthrough. Now let us talk about your focus. Your attention is not infinite. It is the rarest resource you own. Every notification, every opinion, every headline is asking for a piece of it. And most of it is not gold. Most of it is noise dressed in urgency. You must protect your focus like a miser protects gold. Not because you are selfish, but because your best work lives in the quiet hours where nothing disturbs you. 1 hour of deep, uninterrupted work is worth 10 hours of distracted effort. That is not motivation speaking. That is mathematics.